So we're here today to talk to accommodation providers. Accommodation providers are the first point of contact that visitors get with the area, so it's really important that we share the AdventureSmart messaging with them. The main message really to pass on to visitors is to prepare, and prepare well in advance of your visits.
We're trying to join all of the agencies up. So we've got AdventureSmart, we've got the National Park, we've got Mountain Rescue, and we've got the tourist industry representatives, all trying to come together to get some consistent messaging for people. And just be aware that if you are going out into the hills, it is a serious undertaking. And so make sure that you've got the right kit, that you know where you're going, you know what the weather's like. Because it is easy to look at stuff online and to see these beautiful places that you can go to, but you do have to consider where you're going. It's not just literally walking in the park. There can be quite serious parts, so make sure you've got the information you need before heading.
So a lot of our guests, they're of the age sort of 21 to sort of 40, that's the average, but because it's couples, they exclusively come to check out North Wales, to get out every day, walking, sightseeing. But we see a lot of people obviously now trying to summit the Wyddfa, obviously other mountains as well, but that one seems the most popular. We're seeing a big surge in people coming just for that, really. Get to chat with all the experts. You know, they've got the inside knowledge. Little tips, pick up from other businesses as well. So you'll meet other businesses here, and they do things different, and they'll give you other ideas. So it's a good chance to network as well. It's not just about the information that's given on the day.